Okay, so the braiding has been completed. As you can see, this is we braided the wire in 8, all the way up to the split. Okay, so what happened when after this step is that we will leave more than 40 centimeters, more than 40 cm for the part that goes up after the split, and we have this this area here that we'll be going to secure later with a piece of heat shrink. Okay, so for this tutorial we are going to need all the regular stuff, and of course we need a wire split. You can use a piece of heat shrink to substitute the wire split. We have the pin, so today we'll be doing ATH A2DC pin. So we have a A2DC and some heat shrink for the pin, and that's about it. So as earlier we have found out the 40 centimeters length, and this is the 40 centimeter mark. We are going to put a heat shrink below that mark. We're going to shrink it. Okay, so once the heat shrink is installed, we will be able to remove all the other excess braiding. You can actually just use the heat shrink as your wire split itself, but today we are going to install a piece of wire split. Okay, once the wire split is installed here, we can remove the heat shrink. Okay, now we are going to split the wires for the left and the right channel. We'll be doing the two-side braiding from the wire split. This will be a 4-wire braid. So if you haven't already, you can take a look at our 4-wire cable tutorial. So we'll be braiding both sides. Okay, so as you can see, we have done the braiding. They are of different length, so we will label them and we'll cut them to the same length. We'll do the same for the ground wires. Okay, so now we'll be stripping the wires, bundling them together and thinning them. Okay, once we have done the thinning, we have the option to put in a silicone slider. And now for the barrel. Some string tubing. Finally, we're going to solder the cable. As always, thin your connectors, and we'll start the soldering. Once that is done, the finishing will be gluing up the connectors, and that's it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please help us to subscribe to the channel, and you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates. And if you have any comments or on things that you want to know more, you want to learn more, any new videos that you want to see, any questions, do post them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer everything. So once again, thank you all for watching.